Okay, so obviously the engine's running, you can hear it, runs really, really good. Pretty impressive, this whole thing. Runs better than some of the new stuff I've listened to people, so this is a barn find. It's pretty much been restored. As far as the undercarriage and all the way up, there's no rust on it, and it's solid throughout. There's a couple little things I've noticed. There's a bolt here, which I could probably find for it. And whatnot, but I just wanted to show you the engine running, and then I'll put the hood down and give you an overall video of everything else on this thing. The motor's just, I mean, real true. You know, you can hear it's not shaking. That fan's spinning a lot faster than it looks like it is, but anyway, gas tank under the seat. No rust in the floorboards. There's some dirt in here that we didn't get out. I just wanted to, you know, give you a true representation exactly what it is and whatnot. So a good oil pressure, fuel gauge is bouncing around a little bit, got good amps, water temp right there, short needle doesn't get hot or anything. And then let's see if we can get everything to work on it. So the lights work. Yeah, good. There you go. These lights work there. Got there's that one works too. So just really, really fun, clean shape. I'm going to turn this engine off so I can kind of do the rest of it for you, and then I'll get you the specs on as well. The specs will be fully in the ad. Tires are in good shape. They're a little dry. This thing's probably been sitting for 10-15 years inside in a barn, so somebody put it back together and then did that. We're going to list the scrambler we also found in a second in there as well. But if there's anything you see on it, there's a little bit of this has kind of got a ripple to it in the back here. The undercarriage, I took some photos of. It might be a little hard to see with this camera, this video, but it's just beautiful. And I don't have the specs on who did the build on it, but it looks like it was done pretty good. I mean, it just depends on who's looking at it. The guy I'm listing it for is actually does restorations. I mean, his are just come out spectacular, but they're also $50,000-$60,000 Jeeps when he's done with them. So for this one, for what it is, and again, it's a no reserve auction, so I mean, highest bidder wins. It does have a title on it too, which I think is also rare on these old birds. You know, that it's just hard to get all the pieces for them, especially the titles. That's usually a component most people are missing on them. So we have that. That's taken care of. The hood's got a little bit of a glare on it there. And it definitely has. I mean, this body work isn't perfect by no means. It could be. Somebody put some time into it, but you know, they just basically pulled what they could on it, looks like, and then painted it. May have put some filler in it. It looks like there's a little bit of filler there. There's definitely going to be some filler in this tub, I'm sure of it. In this area through here, you got some dimples through there. Stuff you can tell where they pulled things because you got holes in it to show that they pulled them, just never filled them back in. So here, back through in this area, back in this area here. So the body, I'd say, and I actually sell parts for a living, so, and we'd sell this tub for quite a bit in the shape it's in, just because they're hard to find. But, and then here's your seats here. Does tumble forward to give you access down there. I would say the body's probably 5 or 6, just because it's not completely done, but this is a $3,000 tub to us. That's what we'd be able to get out of it at the shop. So other than that, I think that does it for us. If you have any other questions, comments, or concerns, just give us a shout. There'll be a number in the ad, or you can email me and I can answer anything else you may have on it. Alrighty, I appreciate you taking the time, and good luck.